Your most accurate local forecast starts now with meteorologist Brett Thackeray.
Well, the sun is up and now we can see the gray skies and kind of the foggy mist in the distance here at New Bloomfield Elementary School. And this is kind of what we're going to get, a cloudy and cool day today. And quite frankly, it's going to be similar to yesterday. More pleasant tomorrow. I think the sun returns and we get a little bit warmer too. And then more storms here by Friday. That'll be our next best shot at some rain. But it's gray just about everywhere you look. The Hershey History Center, gray, cloudy, and temperatures remaining in check. We had a few showers overnight, so we can also add damp to that list of adjectives outside. But these low clouds are not going to be going anywhere. We still have the stationary front draped over top of us, and because of that, most of Pennsylvania is in the 60s this morning, and we anticipate temperatures to have a hard time climbing out of the 70s today. This is about 3 to 5 degrees cooler than where we were yesterday in the eastern part of the state. Dew points have dropped nicely. It's not oppressively humid. Dew points in the low to mid 60s, so we will take that as well. It feels a little bit better out there. 78 today. I'm just going to keep what we had yesterday since both days are very similar, and some stray showers will be around today as well, but not a rainy day. Cloudy and muggy tonight with lows dropping into the mid 60s. So where does this leave us, this stationary frontal boundary? It's not really going to plague us with the violent weather that we had over the weekend, but it is going to produce more showers, maybe some drizzle in spots today. Just kind of a good nap day today for us here in central Pennsylvania. If we can get some peaks of sun, and I don't think it's out of the question, then maybe we get to near 80 degrees. But dew points in the 70s have pushed to the south. We have dew points in the 60s here. So the air mass is trying to dry out, but I think it will remain relatively humid today. And then tomorrow we might be in for a nice break in the dew points. Look at this. Dew points in the mid to upper 60s here this afternoon, but watch them drop tonight down to around 60. Even some really dry air. Dew points in the 50s here early tomorrow morning. It may feel very comfortable during the day tomorrow as temperatures move back into the low 80s. So today's highs likely peaking just shy of 80 degrees. And then as we move into tonight, we drop into the 60s. Dare I say you could open your windows tonight, especially with that drier air moving in. We'll follow that up by highs in the low to mid 80s tomorrow. And with the dew points going low, it could be a really nice day on Wednesday. So occasional showers and drizzle today, but I still think for the most part it's going to be mainly dry, just kind of gray. Early clouds giving way to sunshine here on Wednesday. And then I think Thursday's shaping up to be a pretty nice day too. Yes, there will be some clouds around, but maybe just a passing shower with some sunshine by the afternoon. The extended outlook shows temperatures remain fairly comfortable here over the next 7 to 10 days. Yes, we do get back up into the upper 80s occasionally, but that's where we should be. Maybe one 90-degree day next week, but again, no heat waves. Dew points do go up Thursday and Friday ahead of our front, and then they tumble again by the weekend. I think the weekend looks good because this front that's going to bring us the chance for some storms on Friday and could linger into Saturday really does take the humidity away with it too as we move into Sunday and next week. So we've had over 2 inches of rain so far in July. It's early yet, of course, but we should have had about 8/10 of an inch, so we're doing okay. Yes, we still have a rainfall deficit, but it's nice not to have to talk so much about it with the recent flooding rains that we've had in parts of the mid-state. So we warm up tomorrow to 83, maybe a couple of stray showers Thursday. It's trending drier, though. Friday still looks like the best chance for rain at this point. Scattered storms during the second half of the day will cool off heading into the weekend, and the front remains close on Saturday, close enough to mention a stray storm, but I do think much of the weekend stays dry, and I think it looks very comfortable here, too, with temperatures in the mid-80s. So a far cry from July 4th weekend where it was hot and miserable and then the storms, right?
Yeah, much better.
Much, much better. So we'll take it.
All righty. Yes, we will. Let's take a look.